It stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's a bit like acupuncture, but for the emotions rather than more directly at the physical level. And it's a way of discharging stress and negative emotions and negative feelings from the system, from the body. And it can be used very effectively for traumas and phobias and fears, and also anything that might block you when you think about achieving some goal or dream you want to go towards. And as you're tapping these acupuncture points, which there's typically no more than 8 that are commonly used, it actually releases each of these feelings layer by layer. And usually the effects are permanent if it's done completely.
I've had some very interesting experiences with EFT. I was able to cure a sort of childhood trauma, if you like, in a sort of 20-minute session, and I didn't even tell the practitioner what the trauma was.
When I attended an EFT workshop, the last one I did actually, I worked with someone on my fear of flying as an exercise in the workshop on this issue. And since then, flying has been very different for me.
If you would like to know more about EFT, then do download our free EFT manual, join us for one of our trainings, or come to a one-to-one session with us. They take place in person or online.